Hi ladies, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasser if you're new here. If you're not new, then welcome back. If you're new, I upload natural hairstyles on how to style natural hair. They're usually very simple. Like this one is just an elegant tuck and roll natural hairstyle, as you can see. And my goal is usually to have fun as I'm doing my hair, because for me this is like self-care time. So I am starting on hair that is blown out. You can stretch out your hair using other methods like doing a braid out, doing threading, doing a flat twist. I think a flat twist stretches your hair more than just doing a regular twist. Or you can just use any other method that you normally use. But as you can see, I'm really just starting out by sectioning my hair. It took me about 20 minutes to do this hairstyle. Usually when I'm filming, it takes me longer to do my hair just because there's things that I have to keep in mind of versus when I'm just doing it without filming. Like I said at the beginning, for me doing my hair is part of my self-care routine, and I like doing it for myself just because it gets me in touch with my hair, and my hair is a big part of myself and it plays a big role in how I feel about myself. I am going to use the Shine and Jump gel. It's from Dark and Lovely, but there are so many other brands that carry the Shine and Jump gel. If you try and Google it, you will see different pictures of different brands, and of course their bottles and their branding looks different. So even if you cannot get this one, try and get like one from the other brands. And if you don't want to get those, you can use your edge control. You can also use a gel if you want to. But if your hair is blown out like mine, make sure that the gel that you're using is not liquid based. I don't like using the Got to Be Glued gel while I'm doing this, only because it gets flaky and because I usually wear my hairstyles for a few days. Someone asked me how I wear the hairstyle like the next day, because a lot of them are usually like, they look good when they're sort of like fluffy, and when you go to sleep it sort of like flattens it out. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys how I sort of like fluff it out a little bit, but I basically just use like either a ragtail comb to try and lift it up a little bit, or I just use my fingers to sort of like lift it a little bit to make it look as it did the first day. So as you can see here, I used the donut bun just because I wanted my bun to look slightly bigger. If you don't have a donut bun, you can definitely do a sock bun, where you basically use socks or a stocking and you stuff some hair in it, and you're able to use it as a sock bun. I'm going to leave a video linked down below on how I've created like different sock buns to do different hairstyles. If you want to check that out, again, it'll be linked down below. And by the way, if you love the earrings, they are from Cultural Mashup, which is my website, and yeah, they're called Simba, and they're available in like a black and also this gold as well. So moving on to the next part of the hairstyle, as you can see, I am basically just rolling the hair a little bit and then I am tucking it. I like using these pins versus bobby pins because they are more comfortable to sleep in, and like I said, I wear my hairstyles for a few days, so I don't want to have like hair pulling or like have pain when I go to sleep from the bobby pins. These are more like bridal hairpins. I see people mostly using them for like bridal hairstyles or bridal time. I'm going to leave a link down below for Amazon if you want to get the same hairpins. I got them, I think they're about 40 or 80 pins, and they were about $8. So if you want to check that out, again, I'll leave it linked down below for Amazon. As you can see, for the hairstyle, it's fairly simple, and I'm really just tucking in my hair. One thing you'll notice about a lot of my hairstyles is that they're very simple, and just because I don't like complicating my hair care or like styling my hair, because the more complicated it gets, the more annoying it gets. And I usually really try not to annoy myself when I'm doing my hair, just because, again, this is sort of like a self-loving time, spending time with myself time, if that makes sense. So if you cannot do it at this moment, or if your hair is not long enough, actually, you can sort of like tuck it in. You don't have to take it all the way down to the bun where I'm sort of taking mine. So you can still do this hairstyle even with shorter hair. Just don't tuck it in all the way down at the bun. Tuck it under the hair that you just put, or the hair that you just pinned, and it should be able to look the same, if not similar. If you want it to be slightly looser, then don't roll it at the end as much as I was rolling mine. Roll it a little bit looser and don't make it too tight. Especially at the front part for me, as you can see, I'm really just trying to frame my face. Again, this video is just sort of like an idea of what you can do. Please change it to whatever suits your face better. Make sure that you're keeping your face in mind and how you frame it. So if you know what looks good on you, then girl, do that and change it to whatever you want it to look like. So as you can see here, I did pull it a little bit tight at the beginning, and at the end I didn't like it, so I actually went in and I fluffed it out a little bit more, which I will show you guys I think towards the end. Just give me a moment, I think like a minute, and I'll show you guys how I do it. Just remember guys, the goal for my videos is to take care of yourself and have fun doing that. So if you watching this video is the little time you're taking out of the day, I hope that you styling your hair is going to become a stress-free moment, a moment that you spend with yourself, loving yourself, and all the amazing things in your life. I hope it inspires you to put on a little bit of makeup and to wear that nice dress that you've been saving for like special occasions. I don't have special occasion clothes actually, guys, like, which I actually find interesting now that since I made that change, because now I dress better every day because I'm not going to save my dress for like a special occasion. I'll wear it every day, even though I'm overdressed for a lot of things. I don't care. I will still wear it because there's no point in buying something and leaving it in the closet for like a moment or a special occasion that never comes. Every day is a special occasion and you're special. So take care of you, make your hair, do your makeup, put on that nice dress or nice pair of pants, and have a loving, lovely day. This is it for the hairstyle, guys. I'm going to upload another video on Wednesday, so make sure you check that out. And if you have not yet, girl, subscribe and join the family. I hope I see you on Wednesday. Have a lovely, lovely week. Bye, guys. Bye.